Hello one and all. Let's discuss about the concept of teacher education program in the medieval India. But before going to start the teacher education preparation program, we must have some knowledge regarding the medieval period. Medieval period, as the name signifies, that it is a Latin word and is a combination of two words, middle and avium. That is the middle age of what? Of ancient and the modern period. And this medieval period is regarded as the important period in the history of India also. Why? Because of the different developments in the field of art, language, then we have even in education, religion, etc. In this period, we will have a number of things which comes in the history of India also. And in this medieval period, the teacher was regarded as the hard taskmaster. Here the students worked under strict discipline, यानी कि मिडिवल पीरियड में जो टीचर्स थे वो बहुत ही हार्ड टास्क मास्टर्स थे और जो बच्चे थे वो उन टीचर्स की सुपरविजन में बहुत ही स्ट्रिक्ट डिसिप्लिन में रहते थे. और इस दौरान, इस मिडिवल पीरियड के दौरान जो हमारा एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन है, दैट वाज आल्सो प्रोवाइडेड इन द मकतब्स, यानी कि जो एलिमेंट्री एजुकेशन, जो प्राइमरी एजुकेशन थी वो मकतब्स में दी जाती थी, वाइल द हायर एजुकेशन वाज इम्पार्टेड इन द मदरसास. क्योंकि ऐसा ही होली कुरान में भी बताया गया है दैट एजुकेशन इज अर्ज्ड एज द ड्यूटी, and in the Mohammedan countries education was held in the high esteem. Here in this period the learned were respected. The learned were respected. Learned means हम किन की बात कर रहे हैं? टीचर्स की बात कर रहे हैं. So in our next slides we will try to understand about the teacher education preparation program also, that medieval period में टीचर प्रिपरेशन के लिए, यानी कि फॉर द प्रिपरेशन ऑफ द टीचर्स किस तरह से उनको ट्रेनिंग दी जाती थी. We have here in this slide we will just read it out that the method of teacher preparation was mostly initiation of what the old teachers practiced. यानी कि जैसा कि अभी हमने आपसे कहा कि जो टीचर्स थे वो मकतब्स में टीच करते थे अप टू द प्राइमरी लेवल, और जिनको मोस्टली कौन पढ़ाते थे? मौलवीज. और इन द मदरसास where scholarly persons were employed for the education of the higher system. Good and experienced teachers identified able students and appointed them tutors. जो टीचर्स हैं वो क्या करते हैं कि जो अच्छे स्टूडेंट्स होंगे वो उनको आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं और अपॉइंटेड देम एज ट्यूटर्स टू लुक आफ्टर and teach the junior students in their absence. So इस हिसाब से कि medieval period में जो experienced teachers थे वो अपने जो intellectual जो students थे उनको appoint करते थे अपनी absence में. That means जो monetary system था वो medieval period में प्रचलित था. That was prevalent during the medieval times. Then we have, as we have already discussed, that the teacher's position was very respected in this period, or they were held in very high esteem. Cramming and memorizing were prevalent during this period. इसमें जो methodology adopt की जाती थी उसमें cramming और memorizing पे काफ़ी जोर दिया गया था, और जो methodology है teaching की वो totally oral थी, यानी कि through lecture method बच्चों को पढ़ाया जाता था, and the students were also encouraged to consult the books. Then practicals were also conducted in the practical subjects like medicine. Analytic and inductive methods were also used to teach the subjects like religion, logic, philosophy and politics. इन subjects पे जोर दिया जाता था और ज़्यादा emphasis जो थी वो किस पे थी? That was given on the self study. So in this medieval period, the प्रोग्राम ऑफ टीचर एजुकेशन यूँ कहा जाता है कि कोई स्पेशलाइज्ड टीचर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम मिडिवल पीरियड में नहीं था, बट द टीचर्स हैड अ क्लियर आइडिया अबाउट देयर रोल एंड फंक्शंस एंड द मेथड्स टू बी परस्यूड इन टीचिंग. कोई स्पेशलाइज्ड टीचर ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम यहाँ पे मेंशन नहीं किया गया है मिडिवल पीरियड में, बट इवन देन जो टीचर्स थे वो अपना रोल बखूबी निभाते थे एंड दे हैव आल्सो ऑक्युपाइड अ वेरी हाई पोजीशन इन द सोसाइटी एंड स्टूडेंट्स पेड देम utmost respect and the teachers also reciprocated with the utmost love also. बट जैसा कि हमने कहा कि क्रैमिंग और मेमोराइजिंग जो थी इस पीरियड में बहुत ज़्यादा उस पर स्ट्रेस दिया जाता था, बट इवन देन इन द Emperor Akbar suggested little bit change in the methodology of the teaching that and that was also reported in the Ain Akbari. इसमें ये कहा गया है कि he suggested that instead of memorizing the alphabets, सिर्फ cramming और memorizing पर ही हम stress ना दें, बल्कि the students जो हैं वो they should also learn that how to write the characters and then should learn them prose and poetry by the heart. So मदरसाज में या मकतब्स में जो मेनली था वो जो टीचर्स थे वो मेथोडोलॉजी यूज़ करते थे, दैट वाज ओरल एंड पर्टिकुलरली द लेक्चर मेथड वाज यूज्ड, बट और सेल्फ स्टडी जो है वो उनको उस पर ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस दिया जाता था. बट it has been noticed that during the medieval period there was no such specialized teacher training program, but even then the teachers have taken a very respectful place, or the teachers had no social obligations, or they don't have any stress, but they do that by their own choice and they perform their role and functions accordingly for the welfare of the society. So in this, wish you good luck to achieve your set goals. Set goals particularly as a teacher. As we have discussed in these slides that in the medieval period there are no such particular teacher training programs or preparatory programs, but still then the teachers have got a very respectful and esteemed position in the society. Thank you so much.